Halo, kembali lagi ke channel Ars. Jadi hari ini kita akan melakukan perjalanan ke pabrik dan kantornya Jungle Leopard. Jadi buat kamu yang penasaran dengan produk-produknya Jungle Leopard, bagaimana produk mereka diproduksi dan lain sebagainya, kalian ikuti video kali ini. Kita akan jalan ke kantor mereka dan kita akan lihat langsung bagaimana proses produksi produk dari Jungle Leopard.
What is the material for the bottom case? Acrylic?
I don't know the. Yeah, acrylic. Yes,
Right.
but it's a stronger acrylic. For this USA, yeah, China also have, USA also have. So this fan is selling in USA because inside setting is different with the fan. So this fan we can sell it in USA. And China, in China.
后面有新的。
啊，我知道，他先拍个视频的。In China also have. Not our product.
Not your product.
Yeah. Jungle only overseas. But the fan in China.
Oh, only fan. Only fan.
What standard also has. But watercooler power plant is not.
Let's have a give send to us.
This floor total have 2,500 square meters.
Yeah. It's very big.
Our factory there have another big warehouse bigger than here. We do a lot OEM. Our factory do a lot OEM for the customer. Before when the business school factory working together one day and 200 people together. Right now factory business not good than before. These are producing jungle. That's good. The testing room. Yeah, check the noise about the product and test the electric and work or not. No, the fan not producing is here. They have another factory near here producing the fan.
vertical.
Front, yeah.
刚好这边换线了。
We make it for the Brazil.
Oh, this one for the
OEM, this is the biggest quality. Okay. Very small.
So this is the area for the water cooling.
Yes. Normal the third floor is used for the wet water cooling too. But now we have to business right now. So right now only the fourth floor for water cooling. Normal the third floor also can make in the water cooling too.
So this one the fan.
Yeah, that's the fact.
So this is only the production
Yeah.
warehouse.
Yeah, it's only for the produce, but yeah, not design, not for the design.
Also this the material.
Yeah, material similar like that.
Also this the
The cooler base.
So this material all will be used leather.
Yeah, already be not waiting for use.
This is only like part of the heating, like PCB, the
Yeah,
everything.
Yeah, the material of
The raw material is here.
Yes. Yeah. Jungle Apple new one. That we copy the it's TF and TF.
Put it into the case or they will sell it.
In the case, also selling by single. Yeah. And this is test noise. Yeah, you can go to inside the
Yeah,
building.
noise
This
chamber,
can inside the people. You can go inside building. We speak outside, you cannot hear that. You can go inside, no problem. No. Here is a test of balance machine.